Hi, can you hear and can you see me? Great. My name is Teacher Anna. What's your name? Sarah. It's nice to meet you, Sarah. How are you today? Are you feeling happy or are you feeling sad? Happy, that's great. I am also happy to see you today. Today, Sarah, our lesson is all about can all birds fly? Very good. So let's proceed to the next page. Okay, look at this, Sarah. There are many animals. Can you name these animals? What animal is this? It's a monkey. Very good. Can you say it's a monkey? Good job. What about this one? What animal is this? It's a tiger. Very good. Now let's look about this one, the long neck animal. It's a giraffe. One more time. It's a giraffe. Good job. Now, what about this cute little animal? It's a dog. Good job. And this one, Sarah, it's a cat. Now, what about this big guy over here? What animal is this? It's an elephant. Can you say it's an elephant? Very good, Sarah. Now, what about this animal with wings? What animal is this? It's a bird. Very good, Sarah. You were able to name all the animals. So you have a star. Very good. So what animals do you like, Sarah? And can you please encircle it? Okay, you like cats. Can you say, I like cats? Very good, Sarah. Now let's proceed to the next page. Let's practice. What bird is it? A magpie. Very good. One more time. A magpie. Good job, Sarah. Now let's proceed to our next slide. Now, what animal is this? This is a magpie. One more time. This is a magpie. Okay, good job, Sarah. Now look about this picture. We have one magpie and another magpie. So how many magpies do you see? There are two magpies. Can you say two magpies? Okay, amazing job, Sarah. Now, what about these pictures? We have four magpies. Can you say magpies are birds? One more time. Very good, Sarah. Now let's have the next slide. I want you to click and say, you will find all the magpies that you see. Okay? Okay. We have very good. Now, how many magpies do you see, Sarah? We have five magpies. Can you say there are five magpies? Good job, Sarah. You have another star. Very good. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Let us practice. Magpies are birds. Magpies can fly. Can you say magpies are birds? Magpies can fly. Great job, Sarah. You are right. Now let's have our next page. Oh, I want you to look and say, We have here a cute little bird. What bird is it? A penguin. Can you say a penguin? Very good, Sarah. Now look at this one. What bird is this? This is a penguin. One more time, Sarah. This is a penguin. Good job, Sarah. Now, what about this one? We have one penguin and another penguin. Can you say two penguins? One more time. Two penguins. Okay, good job, Sarah. Now let's have the next slide. Can you say penguins are birds? One more time. Penguins are birds. Okay, good job, Sarah. Now let us find Mr. Penguin's wing. Let us help Mr. Penguin find his missing wing. Okay, so let's start with this first picture. Do you think this is his wing? Okay, no. What about the second picture? Okay, still a no. And what about the third picture? Very good. You got it right, Sarah. This is the wing of the penguin. Good job. Now, can you please drag the wing and put it into its right place? Okay, good job, Sarah. Now, let's have our next slide. I want you to look and say, penguins are birds. Can you say penguins are birds? Okay, penguins cannot fly. Okay, one more time. Penguins cannot fly. Good job, Sarah. Now let us practice another practice. Magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Now, can you say it one more time? Very good, Sarah. You are doing an amazing job. Now, I want you to answer two questions in complete sentences. Let's have, can penguins fly? Again, Sarah, can penguins fly? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now, can you say penguins can fly? Very good. One more time. Penguins can fly. Good job. What about our magpies birds? Yes or no? Are magpies birds? Yes, very good. Now, can you answer in complete sentences? Okay, one more time. Yes, magpies are birds. Okay, good job, Sarah. Thank you for answering the questions. Now let us have another practice. Magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, good job, Sarah. So, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? No, it's okay because in our next class, we will talk about other birds that cannot fly, just like the penguins. Okay? Okay, so thank you so much, Sarah. You did an amazing job today, and I hope to see you in our next class. Goodbye.